I'm going to show you guys exactly what a certain subway station looks like here. Like Akabanebashi, which is right outside the tower, right outside our hotel. Dave wearing his epic headphones.
What line are we getting on? Is it the Oedo?
The Oedo Line, yeah. As if we were heading to Roppongi.
I guess it don't matter, that's what this is anyway.
Yep, exactly. Vending machines. Now, normally you'd buy your fare right there.
We're fill these up, or are we good for a minute?
I should be good, but I'm probably gonna put more money on it anyways.
I'm probably only gonna put like 1,000 more.
Yeah.
That should be enough, because I know I got like 4 tickets.
Here's what the subway map looks like of this area. As you can see, it's all in English and Japanese too, which helps. And this is a timetable telling you what time all the trains leave. And that tells you all the fare information about how much it costs to get to each area. Most of it's about $2 to $3. Some areas are a little bit cheaper, some are a little bit more expensive.
All fare information will be displayed in English.
So Dave's refilling his Pasmo card, which his Pasmo card is essential if you want to take the subway pretty often here in Tokyo. I'll fill mine.
All fare information will be displayed in English.
Get on my Pasmo card. There's 1,000 yen on there. I'll put another 1,000 yen on. Get on my wallet here. Get out a 1,000 yen bill right here, as you can see. Put it right in. Take back out my card. Nope, I don't want to receive a receipt. So I'm good. And that's that. We're good. And you take this card, and we're going to the Oedo Line, and we're going to heading past the Roppongi area. Just scan it right in. It tells me how much yen I have left, 2,120. And we go this way up. There's two ways to get to the Oedo Line. There's two different entrances over there on that side and over here. And we better hurry because I think I hear our train coming. I hear our train. Oh, we just missed it. We just missed our train. Oh well. We got fucked. So as you can see up here, it tells you exactly what time it is, and it'll tell you the next train is at 12:04. So we only have to wait 6 minutes, so that's not too bad. Yeah. Everything's also numbered here, so we're at E21 right now. And if you come over here and look at everything, we're at E21 right here, as you can see. We want to go all the way over to E34, Shin Igota, and that's where we're going to get transferred to a different line. Actually, no, I take that back. Nakai is where we want to go. Nakai is where we want to go because that's where we get on the Seibu line to head over as far as getting to the Toei Animation Museum, because that's where we want to go to get to go see the museum and a few other historical places. And of course, if we were heading on platform 1 on the other side right here, you can see this is where we would be heading, down this way. So eventually it ends at Shinjuku. On the way though, it goes past Daimon, Shiodome. We went to Tsukushima yesterday because that's where we get off to go to Tokyo Disney, and so a bunch of other areas on here. So, and that's the map of everything, as you can see, which it's all in English and in Japanese. So, and what's also nice is that you never see this back at home, back in Boston. These little gates right here to prevent anyone from...
Hey, how far do we go? Like, how many stops?
I'll figure that out after. I believe it's either 12 or 13 stops away. I got to get the map out, but in the end though, we'll figure it out as we go there. But as you can see, so this is the Akabanebashi Subway station while we wait for our next train. So that's that.